So I'm going to be breaking down the best crypto wallets to be using on your iPhone and some solid crypto trading tips if you're a beginner. Before we get into this, I want to recommend everybody check out the stackthecrypto.com trading course. Now, this course is great if you're just getting into crypto, but even if you've been it for a while, you'll learn the different trading strategies, being day trading, swing trading, long-term trading. Now, there are a lot of good tips in this course. Otherwise, I wouldn't be recommending it to you guys. So if you want to learn more about it, I'll have a link in both the description and comments of this video. Okay, so a couple of the main apps I'm going to be talking about here are going to be Coinbase and eToro Crypto. Now, I've been using both of these for a while, Coinbase a lot longer, and you're going to see right now I've got right around 30,000 in my account, so I've been building it up for a while. Now, I think one of the most important things you got to understand is you only want to risk money you can afford to lose. So I'm going to pull up a coin here, Chainlink. You can see that recently it went up to 20 bucks, but it dropped all the way to 10. And my point that I'm trying to show you right there is, if you bought in at the top, you would have lost half your money. So, I mean, you definitely don't want to put more money into crypto that you're uncomfortable with losing. And that's just kind of how I feel about it. Obviously, I have a little bit more experience because I've been doing this for a while, but just keep that in mind. Another thing you want to do is, buy about 5 different coins. So you want to diversify. You don't want to put all your money into one coin because if it drops, you're going to freak out, you know what I mean? And I think that if you spread out the risk, if you have $1,000 and you just put $200 into 5 different coins, I just think you're going to sleep a lot better at night, until you feel comfortable with, whatever coin you have. Okay, so another thing here is you definitely want to stay updated on news with the coins you own. So this is, very true. I mean, it's very easy to do that. So there's a news feed here on Coinbase for these different coins. But just keep that in mind. Another thing, you want to have a sell target. So if you buy a coin for 20 cents, like I had Orchid pulled up there a second ago, and it, goes up to, 40 cents. If you wanted to sell it at that price point, be ready to sell. And then another thing too that I want to point out here, guys, is be active in the communities of the coins you own. It's very likely, especially if you own one of the top 10 to 20 coins, they have communities with these coins. Now in eToro here, I'm just going to pull up, Neo right here. This is a Chinese Asian token, but you can see here they've got active communities on here where you can chat with people that own the coin and things like that. So I mean, be active in the community. Now I did want to throw Robinhood up here because they are supposed to be adding some more crypto coins. They don't have a ton of them right now, but I think a lot of people out there are probably using Robinhood. If you're not, I definitely recommend using it for, stocks. But, the crypto on here, it's going to grow. So, I mean, I would definitely check it out because it's free to join there as well. And now that I've kind of, talked about some of the tips, I do want to recommend 5 different coins I would recommend starting with if you were a beginner. But also, if you've been in the space for a while, you might also just want to check these coins out. This isn't financial advice. Obviously, do your own research, guys. But the first one is going to be Stellar. I absolutely love this coin for the price point. It's been in that 3 to 7, 8 cent range for a while. I think it's got a lot of upside. I'm hoping it gets up to 10 to 20 cents, going into the next year. So it'd be a good one to hold on to. Another one I like is Algorand, aka Algo. This coin, it goes up and down quite a bit. If you can get it in the 20 to low 30 cent range, I think it's another good coin to just kind of buy and hold. So I'd recommend checking that one out. The basic attention token, absolutely love this coin. I think that it's going to be around for a long time because it's connected with the Brave browser. If you research the Brave browser, it's a browser that's competing with Google Chrome, but it's been getting users for the last 3 years consecutively. And, as long as the users are growing on Brave, the coin's value should grow with it. So I recommend, learning a little bit more about this one. It's interesting and it's got a good price point. I think its all-time high was around 90 cents, but you can grab that for 20 cents right now. Okay, another coin I like is Orchid. This is a VPN-based crypto. It went up to $1 recently. I think this one is a steal if you can get it in the 20 cent range. But I mean, as long as you're buying it, under 50 cents and you're willing to hold on to this one, I absolutely love it. So Orchid's a good one. And then one other coin that I would recommend here for you guys. It's a little bit newer on here on Coinbase specifically, but it's Ren. Right now, I wouldn't buy it. I'd wait for it to drop in the 20-cent range, but you can see it's up a lot for the year. I've been learning a little bit more about this coin, and I do like what I see, but you got to get it at the right price point. Okay, so just to recap here on these tips, guys, only risk money you can afford to lose. You know, buy at least 5 different coins so you can like diversify. Stay updated on news with the coins you own. That's big. Have a sell target in mind if you want to sell when it gets to a certain price, and then be active in the communities of the coins you own. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and we'll see you in the next one.